you're still broke, then you need to watch this video because I'm going to be exposing the reasons why you are currently where you are. Why am I telling you this? Because I was once in a situation where I was retarded, no money, no rich uncle, no rich auntie, no rich friends, just me all by myself to figure it out by myself. And I did it using this framework I'm going to be giving you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you 10 reasons why you are broke and how you can get out from them right now. Number 1, you spend more than you earn. Lifestyle inflation is eating your future. The reason why you are currently broke is because you borrow from your future to enjoy right now. If you really want to get ahead in life, then you need to cut down your spending. You need to cut your clothes according to your size. If not, then there is a pandemic awaiting you. Number 2, you are addicted to instant gratification. You are more interested in pleasure than building sustainable wealth for yourself. If you're like that, then you can't go from broke to riches. You need to find a way to make things on equilibrium. You need to find a way to manage your throat, manage what you like, manage those things you like buying. If you like buying shoes, if you like buying the best gadget, you need to think in this light that if you can just wait a little longer and you can use that current money in your hand, you can use it to build something. Instead of spending, you can use the money in your hand to build something for yourself. Instant gratification has eaten a lot of us, and let it not be the end of you. Number 3, you are not upgrading yourself. You are not learning skills. Expecting wealth to come without learning how to make this work with your skills is just like saying, I want to achieve PhD without going to the university. You need to actually learn the requisite skills that would help you transcend from where you currently are to the next level. Number 4, you rely only on one stream of income. Now, this is not peculiar to only you, it's peculiar to a lot of people. I am also a witness to what one stream of income can do. One stream of income is like you sitting on a time bomb. In no time, that bomb is going to explode and you will have nothing left if you don't build up different stream of income. So probably you are making some money right now, but you're still broke. Try and build something else so that you can augment your income currently. Sustainable wealth is built by having different streams of income. But there is a caveat here. Make sure the first stream of income you're building is solid enough for you to go into another one. If you are building one stream of income and you're not done building that one stream of income and you're looking for another stream of income, then you may just lose two things. Because if you are chasing 2 rabbits at a time, you would always catch none. Number 5, you are afraid of taking risks. You're always playing it safe. You always want to sleep. You always want money to come to you without taking risks. Understand that intelligent people take calculated risks, but people that are broke with the broke mindset don't take risks at all. And you want to get to the next level of your life. It's not possible. You need to take risks. You need to let sleep go. You need to put your money in that business. You need to run that ads. You need to create that product. Your time, your money, your energy, your attention will be invested in something. And the only thing you have is your mindset and the education to predict intelligently whether it will work or not. Now, don't just say it will not work without taking risks. You need to first take that risk. You need to first analyze, then put in your resources. That is how to take risks. Number 6, you blame your government, the economy for your present predicament without taking responsibility. Listen to me. If you have this mindset of because the government did not do this thing for me, that is why I'm still broke, then I pity you. You would only end up being this broke for as long as you can imagine. For as long as you keep doing and blaming people instead of taking the bulls by the horn. The government doesn't care about you. Nobody cares about you. All you need to do is to use intelligence and change the reality for yourself. Number 7, you value looking rich more than actually becoming rich. On social media, you're interested in putting the flashiest things on your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You're interested in snapping the most trendy pictures and putting there so that people can have a different perception of you more than actually becoming rich. Let me tell you something. Packaging with an empty brain is going to downplay you in the nearest future. Is like a time bomb that would explode eventually. Forget about packaging. If you are not there, humble yourself, especially on social media. You are just authorizing a lot of pressure for yourself. It is better to live modest. In fact, the rich people, when they have a lot of money, they don't even want to look like it. They are just there. But many of you, you're very broke, but you want to buy the best things in the world. You want to buy the best iPhone 14, iPhone 15, iPhone 17, just to make people know that, hey, I've arrived though. No, people would always pass. They don't even care about you. You're buying things to impress people that don't care about you. Number 8, you have poor money habits. You don't have an intelligent system of saving. You have no clue on how to budget your money. And you just spend recklessly. How are you going to go from broke to riches without this intelligence? There's something called financial intelligence. Financial intelligence is the ability to make money, manage money, and multiply money. And if you don't know how to manage your money, especially making money is almost easy, but managing money and channeling it into resources, if you don't know how to do that, then even if you've attained wealth at a level, you're going to go back to square one. Because these financial habits, money habits, the right money habit is all about learning how to budget, learning how to save, and learning how to look for investments that can authorize your growth. Number 9, this is the most important one I love so much. You're selling nothing. Now, money always comes when you sell. If you don't sell anything, no money comes to you. I have intelligence, I am rich, I know this, I know how to do this, I know how to do that, but you're still broke because you're selling nothing. Those things you said you know how to do, package it into a product or a service that people can exchange with money. And that is how to start changing the reality for yourself. Start selling something today. Number 10, you give up easily. Broke people know how to give up easily. Because something did not work, you say, I am not trying this again. Is that how you want to become rich? You need to sustain the staying power for you to transcend into where you are to where you want to get to. It doesn't come as a gift. It's something you must nurture. You must nurture the habit of staying until it works. If you don't learn how to stay until it works, then trust me, you are not going to actually enjoy that wealth you're looking for. Now, I'm not trying to get you scared here. This is just reality. Now, me talking to you right now doesn't mean I have arrived. I am there. We always have one of all these habits. Now, if you are listening to me and you have one of all these habits, all you need to do right now is to try to mitigate it step by step. It will not just come suddenly. It's going to come step by step. One of the best ways to solve a problem is for you to understand the problem. And right now, you can use these 10 indicators to find out which of these habits, which of this system is actually keeping you broke. With that being said, my name is Uzoma Oranebo, and if you've not liked this video, kindly do that. Also subscribe. Now, if you're interested in turning your knowledge into money, you want to learn how to turn your information in your head into consumable resources that people can buy and give you money, then all you need to know firstly is that people are interested in what you sell. Secondly, click on the link on the bio, click on the link in the description to download my free guide to teach you exactly how you can do that. I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Cheers, see you in the next video.